Hi, and welcome to the NIC PIPS YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any new content. Also, check the description below. You should find my link tree. Go ahead and click on it. Click on the free Discord chat, join the chat, and there you will be able to interact with myself. And also, I share trade ideas and things that I'm working on in the Discord server. All right, so let's get on to today's video. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to go over partial closes. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, I have gold open and I'm attached to my demo account here. And so on MT4 and MT5, this process should be very similar. Alright, so if you have a new account or new setup for MT4 or MT5, when you first click on this button up here to buy or sell, and if you don't see this buy or sell option, which is right up here to the top left, see where it's turning blue and red right here? If you don't have this option, there's a little small arrow right here to the left of your pair that you have open on the screen. If you click that little down arrow, it should show it there. And also if you right click on the screen, you can open up it right there by right clicking on the screen and clicking one click trading, and it'll open it up here as well. When you click on this button, it's going to ask you, do you want to turn on one click trading? What one click trading means is that when I click on buy or sell for that button at the top left, this right here is telling me, do I want to automatically confirm that, meaning I don't have to click on the button and then hit yes, execute the sell or the buy. If you want to just click that button, it automatically opens up a sale, and if you just want to click that button, it automatically opens up a buy without any confirmations. You can go ahead and click accept the terms and conditions here. Now, if you do that, you can't do partial closes. Reason being, on the opening side of the trade, meaning you click on this button and it automatically opens it without confirmation, it also works the same way when it comes to closing a trade. So if I click on sell right now for gold, it's confirming, hey, do you want to open up a sale? And I'm going to hit yes, sell by market, right? So let me go ahead and open up at a standard, which is 1.0. I'm going to go ahead and buy it because we had a low right here. So let's go ahead and hit buy. So you can see I hit buy on the sell. I have the executed trade right here on the screen. You can tell by the order number over to the left and the lot size, right? Now, if I want to close this trade, if you look down here in my terminal, I got to click on trade to the left. If you look down here in my terminal, I have a trade open that says I'm in $11 worth of negative drawdown, right? If I click on the little X to the right of it, that's what you want to use to close the trade. As you can see right here, it says close. Do I want to confirm it, right? So it's trying to confirm it. So I'm going to hit OK and hit close, right? Well, if I have one click trading on, now you can see if I do that exact same thing again, which is buying it. You see how that time it didn't have a pop-up screen to ask me if I wanted to open up the trade? It just opened it. And now if I go to close this trade, it didn't ask me to confirm the close. It just closed it. All right. So if you've already went and set up one-click trading, all you have to do to turn it off is go up here to tools at the top of your MetaTrader window, MT5 or MT4. Go to options, and then you're going to get a bunch of tabs. Click on where it says trade. You see the one-click trading button right here, uncheck it, hit OK, and now if I open up another position, it tells me to confirm, which is fine. That's what you want to do if you want to be able to make partial closes of your trade. So now you can see I have 1.0 open on my screen. If I hit the X now, it's going to ask me to confirm the closure. Well, instead of closing the whole 1.0 lot, I'm going to close 0.50, which is half of that lot. And I'm going to click on the close button right here. Now guys, be very careful when you're doing partials. Don't accidentally click sell or buy by market, because if you do that, it's going to open up a new position with that volume or that lot size, and you're going to have more than one position. I made that mistake when I first got started, so please do not accidentally click sell or buy in this window, because it will open up another position. We're going to hit close. Now watch down here, guys. You see where it says my size of my position? Watch when I click close, that went to 0.5 that's open, and it closed out half of it. So that, in fact, guys, is how you do a partial close. Now, after you do the partial close, if you want to go back and turn on your one-click trading because you don't want to have to confirm every time you open and close a trade, just come back here, accept the terms again, hit OK, and now the next time you click on the trade, it does it automatically without fail. Alrighty, guys, so do me a favor, drop a comment below. Was this an easy process? Did you have any struggles? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them in the comment below. Okay. All right. So this is another video of our Getting Started series. Please like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future videos in this Getting Started series. Thank you, guys. I appreciate the love, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.